How to fix login error on DoorDash. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can fix login error on DoorDash, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to fix login error on DoorDash, let's say you have the DoorDash application, which means from a customer's perspective, but you're not being able to log into it. Now there are a couple of reasons why this happens. The first thing could be your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, try to switch back to Wi-Fi. The other is if the DoorDash is not available in your region. So currently DoorDash is available in the US. If you want to log into DoorDash, you can see if I just try to log in right now, it will not let me log in as it says site can't be reached. But if I install a US VPN right over here, let me just go ahead and show you. I'll just go ahead and type in US VPN in this case. Once I go ahead and download a US VPN, I'll be able to successfully go ahead and then log into my account. Now, until this process is happening, what you also want to do is long press the DoorDash app icon, tap the app info button, go to storage and cache, clear cache, and also make sure to clear the storage. Once you've cleared the cache files and storage, this should help you solve your problem. Also head over to your Play Store and then see if DoorDash have an update. And now once we've downloaded the VPN, I'm going to just go ahead and tap on it, tap on the allow option, and now I'll just connect to a region in US, right? Once I connect to a region like this, you'll be able to see this type of interface. Now once it says successfully connected, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply go ahead and then basically open up my DoorDash application here. Once I open my DoorDash application right over here, you can see it says generic configuration, so I'm going to wait until this process is complete. Once it's been connected, I'm just going to come back here, tap on continue option, but this time now you can see before it says site can't be reached, this time most likely it will just give me a little pop-up where I can simply sign into my Google account. The internet could be slow because I'm connecting to a VPN in this case. Once it's done, I'll be successfully signed in to my DoorDash account, as you would be able to find it. And this way I can go ahead and then fix the login error on DoorDash. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.